Akiaria hindi ya mashindano ma nyimbo cukuru-ini wa guthomithia kothi cia moko wa Kiruguya, munini wa gavana wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Peter Ndambiri ni uritie mbeu njithi aria matonaga kanya ga kuingira ma university-ini kuhimbiria kothi cia moko kuona itikoragwo yukitio na njira igwete guku bururi-ini.
Our youth, our people, and that's why we are pushing them. We are even offering incentives to pay for their school fees that they may go to these vocational training centers and be skilled.
Ndambiri augite thirikari ya kaunti ya Kirinyaga ni igite keheri muigana wa ciringi mirioni 52 iria itanyitwo kwambatiria ikiro thukuru iria ithomithagia kothi cia moko mwena ucio, na oho kuhe murutwo ciringi 15,000 niguo kumateithiriria guthi na mbere na mathomo mau.
On infrastructure, whatever we've been already to achieve, we are building dormitories, administration blocks, we are doing classrooms, and all this will come. They are going to benefit with about 52 million, which we have already set aside for polytechnics.
Hamwe na uguo Ndambiri ni okiriria aria magithagia kene kothi cia moko, akiuga ucio ni undu muhituke ni mahinda kuona kothi cia moko nicio irihaga wega uringithanitie na mawira mamwe ma mawabici.
You see, we are talking about something that has not been well crafted within the system. For instance, when we say our court corrected signatures, did he correct your signature? Did he correct mine? Were you consulted that he may come up with the signatures that are there? So when they come to us, I'm sure the government has the machinery to make sure that everyone understands where we are.
No ona kuri uguo Ndambiri ni ugite namba ya aria mareka kothi cia moko ni ongererekete na gicunji kinene guku bururi-ini. Giki kirio kenereria ati mbeu njithi ni mathiite na mbere kuyukia kothi ici kuria oritie thirikari nene kuongerera mathukuru ma kothi ici cia moko hamwe na kumethera mawira riria marikia mathomo mao. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa rako ni Wangui wa Wanjiku.